We'll guide you through how to assign tasks on ClickUp. Quick disclaimer: you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open your browser on your computer and make sure you have a stable internet connection before accessing ClickUp so that all pages and workspace data can load properly without interruptions. Once your browser is ready, go to clickup.com by entering the website address into the address bar and waiting for the homepage to load completely. On the ClickUp homepage, click Login to open the sign-in page and access your account. When the login page appears, choose the login method you want to use, for example logging in with an email address. Type your email address in the required field and make sure it is entered correctly to avoid login issues. Next, type your password in the password field associated with your account and verify that all information is correct before proceeding. After reviewing your login credentials, click Login to access your ClickUp workspace and wait for your dashboard to load completely. Once you have successfully signed in, open the list within the space you want to use and navigate to the location where your tasks are displayed. For the first method, click the Assignee field directly on the task. A list of available team members will appear, allowing you to choose the appropriate person responsible for the work item. Select the team member you want to assign to the task from the available options. For the second method, click on the task you want to assign to open its details and access additional task settings. Click the Assignee field in the Task Details panel to view the list of available team members. Choose the team member you want to assign to the task and confirm your selection. Now you have successfully assigned the task using the Task Details panel. Go back to the list view to review the task. You can now see the assigned team member displayed on the task that you assigned, making it easy to identify who is responsible for the work item and ensuring that task ownership is clearly visible to everyone involved in the project.